Okay, I just want to show you this beautiful little airplane that I got for my 8th birthday. There's the fuel that went with it, and it was controllable by a handle. Had lots of little parts. It was actually not as easy to fly as they say it was, but I was real happy with this, and this guy is going to show you how to fly it.
That we use. U control means you've got two lines. One is up and one is down. So you don't do this, you do this. Up and down. And see, that moves the elevator. So there's up and there's down. And that's instead of trying to do this, because that's not as much control. So let's go over there and I'm going to show you how that works. Up, down, up, down. This is the up line right here. And that's the down line. So we're just flying that, and that's how that flies. And of course the good old Cox Baby B engine. These are all rubber band together, and so that when you crash they would come apart. This is a very old one, very brittle plastic one.
So he goes to take off. We took off from the parking lot of our Dover Air Force Base housing. And it was just like this, except mine wasn't quite as fancy an airplane. It did have the same controls, but it was made out of styrofoam. And the sad part about it was that I only got to fly it once, because as soon as I landed, a little black neighborhood kid came over. His name was Willie. He was a little bit older than me. And he came right over and stomped it and broke it off pieces. I remember it was a little bit hard to start, but it did use real fuel. And you can hear the sound of the engine. So that's my story. It does make a pilot dizzy, that's for sure. But there it is landing. Love you all.